Shalom Aleichem to the Shiviti family around the world from Kehillat Shaar HaShamayim here in San Diego. We're living in very complex times. The feelings that many have reached out to me over the last few days. How to feel, how to do, what to feel. I don't have words. I have words. I want to keep them to myself right now. I don't wish to ruin anyone's happiness. I don't want to dampen anyone's spirits. What I can say for right now is that today, Hoshana Rabbah, today is the final day of Chag Sukkot. Zaman Simchatenu. It's a time for happiness. To be happy, Rabbeinu Rambam writes in the Mishneh Torah, to be happy with food, to be happy with drink, to be happy with clothing, with gifts, with everything that makes a person happy. But on this holiday, there's an extra level of happiness. The Hasidim and Anshe Maaseh, the greatest of our leaders, used to celebrate in front of the people on these days. Because the love, the happiness that comes from the love to our Creator is not a simple kind of love. It's a kind of love that requires a tremendous amount of focus, of dedication, of consistency, of limud Torah, of training one's mind, one's heart, one's soul to connect properly to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. I'm grateful, along with Rabbi Devorah, to be leading this Beit Midrash of individuals around the world, here in San Diego and everywhere where you are. People that are dedicated more and more and more to discovering the joy of loving HaKadosh Baruch Hu. אהבת האל ואהבת את אדוני אלוהיך בכל לבבך ובכל נפשך ובכל מאודיך, to love God with all of your heart, your soul, and your possessions. Rabbeinu Rambam says that means to call to all the people in the world to come close to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, something we take very seriously here. I bless us all that in the merit of the limud Torah, the unique limud Torah, which is focused, God-focused, divine-focused, focused on nurturing, building, exploring that relationship with HaKadosh Baruch Hu, should be fulfilled in us the words of David HaMelech, Yismach lev mevakshe Adonai. Those who seek HaKadosh Baruch Hu, their hearts should be happy. All of the things that are happening in the world right now, the one thing I know for sure, Shema Yisrael, Adonai Eloheinu, Adonai Echad. There is one God. He created us. He gave us the Torah. He sustains us every day. That Creator is enough of a reason for us to be happy. The search of the Creator, in that eternal dance that we reach towards our Creator. May HaKadosh Baruch Hu also, Yasis Anaich Elohaich, may HaKadosh Baruch Hu also dance with us in the Shemini Atzeret that we begin celebrating tonight. Simcha Torah, which later tradition added. May we rejoice with the Torah. Mipi'el Yivorach Yisrael, from the mouth of God, should the Jewish people be blessed. Ashorer Shira Lichvod HaTorah, when you sing and you dance on this holiday, please do so, knowing that you're doing so for the honor of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, for the honor of the Torah, for the honor of the Torah that was given to us by HaKadosh Baruch Hu. And remember the words of David HaMelech to his wife. I will dance, I will be happy, I'll be with those people that you say that I dance too much like them. That's where I honor HaKadosh Baruch Hu. That's where my honor comes from. The greatest honor we could have is to be known as people who honor, who respect, who cherish, who love, or in the words of Rabbeinu Rambam, who know the Creator. May this be the year where we know our Creator, we know true happiness. May Uval Tzion Goel, may Redeemer come to Tzion. May all good things happen to us, to our people, to the whole world, to all those who love HaKadosh Baruch Hu in the world, all the Yirei Adonai, all the God-fearing people of the world. Baruch Hu Adonai, may they merit this year to bless HaKadosh Baruch Hu out of knowledge and out of happiness. Bשורות טובות. חג שמח. מועדים לשמחה, חגים וזמנים לששון. תזכו לשנים רבות, נעימות וטובות.